Imagine diving into the ocean depths, sunlight fading, pressure building, and a shape emerging in the blue twilight. Shipwrecks, these underwater time capsules, captivate us. Join me as we uncover 30 remarkable shipwreck discoveries, windows into lost worlds. In 2019, a team of explorers made an astonishing discovery on the wreck of the Titanic. Deep within the debris field, they found a safe, remarkably preserved, despite over a century beneath the waves. Inside, they found a leather bag, coins, and a collection of necklaces, each item connecting us to the individuals who sailed on that fateful voyage. The Titanic, even in its watery grave, continues to reveal secrets. These jewels, worth millions today, offer a glimpse into the lives of first-class passengers, their elegance and sophistication frozen in time. The ocean depths can act as a preservative. The Titanic's artifacts, perfectly preserved in icy waters, are a treasure trove. Each artifact links us to the past, connecting with Titanic's passengers. In 1998, a team of salvage experts raised a massive 15-ton section of the Titanic's hull, the largest piece of the wreck ever recovered. Known as the Big Piece, it provides a glimpse into the Titanic's scale and grandeur. The Big Piece stands as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of those uncovering the ship's secrets. After the Titanic sank, a leather purse was found in the debris field. Inside were the belongings of 63-year-old Anne Elizabeth Isham. These items offer a glimpse into the life of one lost soul. In 2022, scientists and engineers embarked on an ambitious project to create a full-size three-dimensional scan of the Titanic wreck. Using state-of-the-art sonar technology and underwater robots, they mapped every inch of the ship. This digital avatar allows us to explore the wreck, revealing hidden details and new insights into its sinking. Imagine a grand staircase illuminated by a magnificent chandelier. Recovered from the Atlantic, this chandelier once graced the Titanic. Its dulled crystals still hint at the Titanic's elegance and sophistication. Among the many artifacts recovered from the Titanic, one stands out for its poignancy: a child's shoe. This tiny shoe, a symbol of lost innocence, is a heartbreaking reminder of the human cost of the tragedy. In 1715, a fleet of Spanish treasure galleons set sail from Havana, Cuba, bound for Spain. But a powerful hurricane scattered the ships across the treacherous reefs off the coast of Florida. In the 1960s, divers discovered the wreckage, uncovering a treasure trove of gold, silver coins, emeralds, and other precious artifacts. In 1708, the Spanish treasure galleon San Jose sank off Cartagena, Colombia, after a battle with British warships. For centuries, its location remained a mystery, captivating treasure hunters and historians alike. In 2015, the Colombian government announced the wreck had been found, confirming its identity. In 1857, the SS Central America, a sidewheel steamer, sank off the Carolinas during a hurricane. It carried passengers and a fortune in gold. The sinking was one of the worst maritime disasters in American history. In 1988, treasure hunters using advanced technology located the wreck and began recovering its lost treasure. Imagine a ship laden with exotic goods sailing the high seas 800 years ago. The Nanhai No. 1 sank off Guangdong during the Southern Song dynasty. In 1987, it was discovered, remarkably well preserved by mud and silt. In the depths of the Java Sea lies a shipwreck that has captivated archaeologists and treasure hunters alike, the Bitong shipwreck. This 10th-century vessel from China's Tang dynasty was discovered in 1999, revealing over 60,000 artifacts. The Bitong shipwreck offers a glimpse into ancient maritime trade routes. The murky depths of the Yangtze River estuary hold a secret: the wreck of a 150-year-old wooden sailing ship. Discovered in 2015, this well-preserved wreck offers a unique window into China's maritime past. Archaeologists used advanced sonar equipment, remotely operated vehicles, and a cofferdam to drain the water for detailed examination. In 1982, off the coast of Malaysia, divers discovered the Wanli shipwreck, rewriting history. This 16th-century Portuguese vessel, heavily armed and carrying rich cargo, revealed surprising truths about the past. The Wanli was a privateer, a privately owned ship authorized by the Portuguese crown to capture enemy vessels. In 1942, during World War II, the SS City of Cairo, a British passenger liner, was torpedoed by a German U-boat in the South Atlantic. The ship, en route from Bombay to England, sank within minutes, taking with it over 300 souls and a treasure trove of silver coins. Then, in 2011, a team of deep-sea salvage experts located the wreck at a depth of over 17,000 feet. Off the coast of Bulgaria lies a shipwreck from the golden age of ancient Greece, the Burgos shipwreck. This 4th century BC vessel, discovered in 2017, is the oldest intact shipwreck ever found. Among the artifacts recovered were amphorae, large ceramic jars used for wine and olive oil, providing insights into ancient culinary and trade practices. In 1545, the Mary Rose, a flagship of Henry VIII's navy, sank in the Solent, a strait near the Isle of Wight. For centuries, the Mary Rose lay submerged, a silent reminder of England's naval history. In 1982, after years of excavation, the hull was raised, revealing Tudor-era artifacts. In 1915, the Endurance, led by Sir Ernest Shackleton, became trapped in the Weddell Sea ice during an Antarctic expedition. The ship sank under relentless ice pressure, forcing Shackleton and his crew to escape across the ice and treacherous seas. In 2022, marine archaeologists found the wreck, its hull well preserved in frigid waters. In 1628, the Vasa, a Swedish warship, sank in Stockholm harbour on her maiden voyage. Salvaged in 1961, the Vasa offers a unique glimpse into 17th century shipbuilding and naval warfare. Her well-preserved hull and artifacts provide a detailed snapshot of life aboard a 17th century Swedish warship. In 1492, Christopher Columbus set sail from Spain on a voyage that would change history. Aboard the Santa Maria, Columbus and his crew sought a westward route to the Indies. The wreck of the Santa Maria, never definitively located, continues to captivate historians and archaeologists. Blackbeard, the notorious pirate who terrorized the Caribbean in the early 18th century, left behind a legacy of fear and intrigue. In 1718, the Queen Anne's Revenge, a heavily armed French slave ship captured by Blackbeard, ran aground and sank off the coast of North Carolina. The wreck, discovered in 1996, has yielded a treasure trove of pirate artifacts, providing a glimpse into the life of one of history's most infamous pirates. In 1682, the HMS Gloucester, carrying the future King James II, sank off Norfolk after striking a sandbank. The ship, on a voyage from Portsmouth to Edinburgh, went down quickly, claiming hundreds of lives. Discovered in 2007, the wreck has yielded remarkable artifacts, offering a glimpse into the late 17th century. In Stockholm, Sweden, lies a museum dedicated to the Vasa, a ship that sank on her maiden voyage. The museum houses the remarkably well-preserved wreck of the Vasa, a 17th century Swedish warship that capsized minutes after setting sail in 1628. In 2016, divers in Caesarea Maritima, Israel, discovered a treasure trove of gold coins over 1,000 years old. Over 2,500 coins were found near a Crusader-era shipwreck, offering a glimpse into medieval Mediterranean trade. In 1622, the Nuestra Señora de Atocha, a Spanish treasure galleon laden with gold, silver and gems, sank in a hurricane off the coast of Florida. Discovered in 1985 by Mel Fisher, it became one of the richest shipwreck finds. The recovered treasure, including gold bars, silver coins and emeralds, reignited the allure of lost treasure and the thrill of discovery. Off the coast of Cape Cod, Massachusetts, lies the wreck of the Whydah Galley, a pirate ship commanded by the notorious Black Sam Bellamy. Discovered in 1984, it has yielded a remarkable collection of pirate artifacts, offering a glimpse into the golden age of piracy. In 1900, sponge divers off Antikythera discovered a 1st century BC shipwreck. Among the artifacts was the mysterious Antikythera mechanism. This complex astronomical calculator is a significant technological artifact from the ancient world. From the icy depths of the Atlantic to the warm waters of the Caribbean, these shipwreck discoveries have unearthed treasures and artifacts, illuminating the stories of ships and sailors. Each piece whispers tales of maritime adventures, of fortunes won and lost, and lives lived and lost at sea. These stories, preserved by the ocean, remind us of the enduring power of exploration and the mysteries hidden beneath the waves.